In this video, we listed the 5 best orbital sanders that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DEWALT Random Orbit Sander. We used this DEWALT sander on a furniture restoration project and liked its smooth operation. The variable speed dial let us start slow on delicate areas and increase speed for faster material removal. The low-profile design helped us work on edges and tight spots. We got much closer to the work surface than with other sanders. The counterweight system reduced hand fatigue. We sanded for over an hour without discomfort. Dust collection stands out on this tool. The bag attaches firmly with a twist-lock mechanism and captures most of the dust. For bigger jobs, we connected it to our shop vac using the port. We spent less time cleaning up and more time working. The build quality feels solid and durable. The rubber overmold provides a secure grip even with sweaty hands. This sander delivers reliable performance for both weekend woodworkers and daily users. Number 2. DEWALT DWE60 for 21K Orbital Sander. We tested the SKIL5 Random Orbital Sander on several woodworking projects. The 2.8 amp motor provided enough power for smoothing rough surfaces. The variable speed dial let us adjust from 7,000 to 13,000 OPM. Lower speeds handled delicate work, while higher speeds removed material faster. The X-Flow dust collection system captures almost all debris in its transparent container. We could see when it needed emptying, which helped during long sessions. The container detaches easily for quick cleanup. The soft rubber grip feels comfortable, and the counterweight balance system reduces vibration. We maneuvered into tight corners thanks to its compact size. For about $50, this sander delivers results that satisfy both beginners and experienced woodworkers. Number 3. DEWALT DCW210B Sander. The DWE60 for 21K worked well from the first use with its 12,000 OPM speed. Its shorter design let us get closer to our workpiece. The rubber overmold grip felt comfortable during long sanding sessions. The counterweight design kept our hands from going numb after the job. The one-handed locking dust bag attaches securely and captures most of the dust. We connected it to our shop vac using the dust port, which kept the workspace clean. The dust-sealed switch helps extend the tool's life. This sander feels solid and well-built. The carrying bag holds the sander and extra sandpaper, which is convenient for storage. We saw consistent results on pine, oak, and other woods. This DEWALT model offers reliable, powerful sanding without excessive vibration. Number 4. BOSCH ROS20 VSC Palm Sander. We tested the BOSCH ROS20 VSC on several woodworking projects. The 2.5 amp motor provided enough power for rough sanding and fine finishing. The variable speed control let us choose the right speed for each task. Slower speeds worked for delicate finishing, while faster speeds removed material quickly. The pad dampening system reduces swirl marks, which helps when working on visible surfaces. We achieved smooth finishes without extra effort. The hook and loop disc attachment system makes changing grits quick and easy. Dust collection is highly effective with the microfiltration system. The clear dust canister lets you see when it needs emptying. The included carrying bag protects the tool between uses. This sander offers a good balance of performance, comfort, and price. Number 5. Flex 24V Brushless Orbital Sander. The Flex product is a battery-powered tool known for its advanced features and robust performance. It boasts a compact design with dimensions of 5.1 inches in length, 6.6 inches in width, and 4.6 inches in height, making it easy to maneuver and control. Powered by a 24V lithium battery, it offers significant advantages such as 20% more power, 25% longer runtime due to Thermatech heat management, and up to 50% faster charging with high-power, dual-fan chargers. The tool includes a turbo mode with a class-leading 13,000 OPM for rapid and aggressive material removal. It also provides exceptional runtime, lasting up to 30 minutes in Speed 3 with a 3.5-hour stacked lithium battery, sold separately. The durable construction features a dust and water-resistant switch, enhancing the tool's lifespan. Its low-profile design ensures easy maneuverability and control, while the pad brake increases endurance and productivity. The sensor-free brushless motor is engineered for higher efficiency and power by eliminating friction. Additionally, the tool is compatible with all Flex 24V batteries, chargers, and tools, although these are sold separately. Flex offers a limited lifetime warranty if the tool, battery, or charger is registered within 30 days of purchase through December 31, 2025.